The mindset that turns $100 into $10,000. Everyone wants to turn $100 into $10,000. But most people think it starts with money. It doesn't. It starts with mindset. Because $100 in the hands of someone with vision becomes a seed. But in the hands of someone with fear, it becomes a bill. The difference isn't luck. It's how you see opportunity. The average person spends their $100 trying to feel good today. The driven person spends it trying to feel free tomorrow. One mindset says, it's just $100. The other says, it's my first investment. The moment you start thinking that way, you've already multiplied your money because you've changed what it means to you. Turning $100 into $10,000 isn't about a magic investment. It's about creating value. You could buy a course that teaches you a skill. You could start a small online business. You could flip something. Books, sneakers, collectibles. You could even use that $100 to promote your first piece of content. The point isn't what you do. It's that you do something that grows you. Because money follows momentum. And momentum begins with movement, not perfection. The people who make it aren't the smartest. They're the ones who started. Here's the truth. Most people quit before the compounding starts. They get tired, impatient, or distracted. But growth doesn't show up immediately. It builds quietly in the background every time you stay consistent. The $100 that becomes $10,000 doesn't do it overnight. It does it through small wins stacked over time. Every lesson learned, every mistake corrected, every new skill acquired, they all multiply the value of your effort. That's the mindset of wealth. Long-term over short-term, growth over gratification, purpose over impulse. Remember this, it's not about the $100. It's about the mindset that turns anything into more. Every successful person started with something small, an idea, a risk, a decision. So take your $100 and start building your empire, because once you master the mindset, the money will follow. Leave a like and subscribe if you're ready to level up your mindset and your money.